Hi, this is Thunder from 4x4offroads.com. In the last video I showed you how to create a new profile, and this time I'm going to dig a little bit deeper, add a 4x4 and show you how the things work. So I go to the profile page and create a new 4x4. I can select a year and I am putting in my current information. This is not necessary to fill in the description or keywords, but I want to make sure the showing is show, unless I want to hide it, of course. Create this 4x4 now, and now I can find a photo to use. And I've got a nice one here, and upload, and there it is. Now, next step, I want to add more value to the 4x4. If I go and view the page, it's pretty nice there, with a link to my profile and space for comments for others to make comments. But I can also dig deeper and add value to the story, and I can add photos, I can add YouTube videos, I can add single status updates. This time I want to show you how to add a photo. I'm choosing an old one here, and this is actually the before photo. So I can add that as a status and submit. And now I have added to the story. So there it is. Now it's easier for me to tell people about this page and get more comments. So thank you, and hope you have good luck trying out this beta software.